Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Restyle feature not showing on Instagram. If you are trying to use the new AI Restyle tool but can't find it anywhere, don't worry, I will guide you step by step. So first, what exactly is the Restyle feature? It's Instagram's new AI photo editing tools that let you transform your photo or video using just a text prompt. Basically, you can describe styles like a cartoon version, cinematic tone, or vintage vibes, and Instagram will automatically restyle your image using AI. Pretty cool, right? And here's how you normally access it. Just open your Instagram and then tap on add story and then just choose your photo or video like this and then just tap on three dots icon, this one, just tap on it, and then on here you should see a new options called restyles. Its icon look like a little pencil with sparkles, and once you tap that, just type your prompt and wait for Instagram to generate the new look. But what if this feature doesn't appear on your account? Let's fix that. Make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest versions. So just open the Play Store like this and then just search for Instagram like this. And then if you see the update button like this, just tap it to update the app. Okay, like this, and then once the update is done, just reopen Instagram and then check if the restyle options appears. Just add story again and then just tap on three dots icon, and then the feature should be appear on here. But if it's still missing, just go to your phone settings and then tap on apps and then search for Instagram and then go to storage, this one, and then just clear data and then just clear all data or clear storage. This will lock you out of all your accounts, so make sure you remember your passwords before doing this. After clearing data, just open Instagram again and log back in. And then just check if the feature has appeared. And then if the restyle feature still doesn't show up, here's a few possible reasons. The feature hasn't rolled out to your region or account yet, and or you are using an older device or Android versions that doesn't support the update, and then or maybe Instagram server might be testing this feature only for limited users right now. So that's how to fix the restyle feature that's not showing on Instagram. If it's still unavailable even after trying all these steps, just wait for the next Instagram update. The feature will roll out to more users soon. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!